pre-market summary for Indian stock market. Singapore Stock Exchange Nifty 50 Index futures suggest a 44-point drop at the opening bell. Asian equities are neutral on Friday, as Wall Street looks to revive its recent run. In July, Japan's core consumer inflation was the fastest in 7.5 years. The Core Consumer Price Index, CPI, excluding fresh food, climbed 2.4% in July from a year earlier, government statistics revealed Friday. That's the fastest pace since December 2014, excluding sales tax hike effects. Cisco Systems' bullish sales outlook helped bolster the technology sector, as economic statistics suggested continued strength. July was the sixth straight month that U.S. house sales decreased. Existing home sales declined 5.9% from June to 4.81 million, according to the National Association of Realtors. Thursday's tumultuous session ended with small advances for the major indices. S&P, BSE Sensex gained 37.87 points, 0.06%, to 60,298. Nifty 50 rose 12.25 points, 0.07%, to 17,956.50. Foreign portfolio investors, FPIs, sold shares worth 1,706.00 crore on the 18th of August, while domestic institutional investors net bought 470.79 crore. Follow us, information is wealth.